Hi guys, my name is Aman Alifuddin. I am from TKG6. I will read the conversation about congratulations. Hi Layla, congratulations. Finally, you can graduate on time. Thank you so much. I couldn't have done it without the support of family and friends. Yeah, here's a gift for you. Wow, thank you so much. Yeah, you like it? Of course I like it. I didn't expect anything. Okay, once again, congratulations Layla. I wish you continued success. Thank you very much, Maya. Now, I will memorize 20 vocabularies based on the conversation with the meanings. Thank you, terima kasih. Wish, harapan. Success, sukses. Continue, bersambung. Of course, tentu saja. Expect, berharap. Anything, apapun. Congratulations, selamat. Like, suka. Finally, akhirnya. Graduate, lulus. Can, bisa. On time, tepat waktu. Without, tanpa. Support, dukungan. Family, keluarga. Friends, teman. Give, hadiah. Once again, sekali lagi. For, untuk. That's all my performance. Thank you so much for your attention. Goodbye.